Hi, this is Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Bathrobe Cooking with Edie, we are doing part 2 of reimagining the hamburger. We're not sure how many parts there will be, but we know this is part 2. So this dish today is called Bisquick Cheeseburger Pie, which I found in my Penske files. The recipe will be in the description below. If you love watching our cooking videos and you love lounging like I do, send a little love, schmoochy the like button, hit that notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I'm hungry, the owls on my bathrobe are hungry, and Stu is definitely hungry. Let's cook!